Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a quick and easy nighttime skincare. So let's get started. The first step is to use a face wash, which is very important to get rid of all that dirt, dust, pollution, as well as to remove your makeup. The pro tip here is do not sleep with makeup on. That's very harmful to your skin. And with that, we'll move on to the next step, that's toner. This helps in closing all of those open pores. And we'll move on to the next step, that's using a hot water towel. This step is very essential, especially during the night time, because it helps in relaxing your skin, soothes all of that irritated skin, and this is very relaxing. Do try it on in your next time when you do your skincare, and let me know in the comments how this helped you. Next, we'll move on to getting rid of our dark circles, and for this I have a quick DIY for you guys. Here I'm using a cotton pad and I'm cutting it into two halves, making it into a moon shape so it perfectly fits under my eye. And on this I will be using aloe vera gel, applying a little aloe vera gel on this cotton pad and placing it under my eye so it perfectly sits there, and leaving it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And I will close my eyes and relax. Next, I will just remove this and just massage whatever aloe vera gel is left there. So I'll just massage under my eye, and we'll move on to the next step, that's moisturizer. Moisturizing our face is very important irrespective of your skin being dry or oily. The next step is again a DIY, which is for our eyelashes. I'm just using a clear petroleum jelly here and I'm applying on my eyelashes. This helps in lengthening, strengthening, and making your lashes strong. So do try it on for a couple of days and get back to me and let me know in the comment section below, did this help you? And obviously not to forget to hydrate our lips. And that is it for my quick and easy nighttime skincare. Let me know in the comments what other DIY or steps you follow in your nighttime skincare, and I will see you next time. Bye.